Hello everyone, myself Saika Chaudhary from Signet Public School, Hadapsar. Today, on the occasion of International Week of Science and Peace, I take an opportunity to talk about Mother Teresa, who had been awarded with the prestigious Nobel Peace Prize for her extraordinary ordinary humanitarian work. Let's talk about who was Mother Teresa. Nun and missionary Mother Teresa, known in the Catholic Church as Saint Teresa of Calcutta, devoted her life to caring for the sick and poor. Born in Macedonia to parents of Albanian descent and having taught in India for 17 years, Mother Teresa experienced her call within a call in 1946. Her order established a hospice, centers for the blind, aged, and disabled, and a leper colony. In 1979, Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize for her humanitarian work. She died in September 1997. Mother Teresa was born as Agnes Gongsha Bojaxhi on August 26, 1910, in Skopje, the current capital of the Republic of Macedonia. Mother Teresa's parents, Nicola and Renafile Bojaxhi, were of Albanian descent and a devotedly Catholic family. In 1919, when Mother Teresa was only 8 years old, her father suddenly fell ill and died. In the aftermath of her father's death, Agnes became extraordinarily close to her mother, a pious and compassionate woman who instilled in her daughter a deep commitment to charity. Agnes attended a convent run primary school and then a state run secondary school. In 1928, an 18-year-old Agnes decided to become a nun and set off for Ireland to join the Sisters of Loreto in Dublin. It was there that she took the name Sister Mary Teresa after Saint Thérèse of Lisieux. She was sent to Calcutta, where she was assigned to teach at St. Mary's High School for Girls, a school dedicated to teaching girls from the city's poorest Bengali families. In 1937, she took her final vows to a life of poverty, chastity, and obedience. As was the custom for Loreto nuns, she took on the title of Mother upon making her final vows and thus became known as Mother Teresa. Call within a call. In 1946, Mother Teresa experienced a second calling, the call within a call, that would forever transform her life. She was riding in a train from Calcutta to the Himalayan foothills for a retreat when she said, Christ spoke to her and told her to abandon teaching to work in the slums of Calcutta, aiding the city's poorest and sickest people. After receiving approval to pursue this new calling, she left Loreto Convent and wandered out into the city. After 6 months of basic medical training, she voyaged for the first time into Calcutta's slums with no more specific a goal than to aid the unwanted, the unloved, the uncared for. Missionaries of Charity. Mother Teresa quickly translated her calling into concrete actions to help the city's poor. She began an open-air school and established a home for the dying destitute. As the ranks of her Congregations swelled and donations poured in from around India and across the globe. The scope of Mother Teresa's charitable activities expanded exponentially. Over the course of the 1950s and 1960s, she established a leper colony, an orphanage, a nursing home, a family clinic, and a string of mobile health clinics. Now, Mother Teresa's awards and recognition. In 1965, Pope Paul VI bestowed the Decree of Praise upon the missionaries of charity. The Decree of Praise was just the beginning, as Mother Teresa received various honors for her tireless and effective charity. She was awarded the Jewel of India, the highest honor bestowed on Indian civilians, as well as the now defunct Soviet Union's Gold Medal of the Soviet Peace Committee. In 1979, Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in recognition of her work in bringing help to suffering humanity. Thank you all for being with me in this short presentation.